guys, so today's video is the long-awaited dorm room tour. So if you guys saw my move-in vlog, you would know that I recently moved into my dorm room at Loyola Marymount University in LA. And you know what? A lot went into decorating my dorm room. Basically like a week before moving in school, I didn't have a great idea of like what I wanted to do for my dorm room. And it just kind of miraculously came together like the day before move-in, and I am pretty happy with how it turned out. So I'm super excited to show you guys around. Hope you guys like my dorm room. Maybe you can get some own inspo for your dorm rooms, or even just like your rooms at home if you're not in college yet. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is what you see when you walk in my room. This is like the entryway thing. So obviously there's closet on either side of the door, and then this like little hallway area here. So what's nice about the dorm rooms here is that they actually come with like these hooks that are already on the walls right here and right here, as well as this medicine cabinet where we just keep obviously like medicine and stuff if we ever get sick. Guys, the freshman plague is so real. Everyone got sick like the first 2 weeks of school, so yeah, we got a lot of stuff in here to make sure that does not happen again. But anyway, the hooks that are on the left side of the door here, I just hang my towels over here. These towels are from Target. They're like in this coral color. I have a couple sets of these that I keep under the bed, but I just hang the ones that I'm using like currently on these hooks just so they can like dry and stuff. And then on the other side, there's another set of hooks where I just hang some of my everyday bags and stuff. And then we also have the trash can and recycling bin that comes with the room down here. Not really cute, but necessary, I guess. And then we also keep our dustbuster here as well. I would definitely recommend investing in a dustbuster or like some kind of small vacuum for your dorm room. And also, as you guys can see here, we have a mirror hanging on our door. So this is just from Target. It's like an over-the-door mirror, so it's not actually mounted on anything. Super temporary. You can just like take it off when we move out. And I think this was like $10, something like that. Like it was super cheap, but also a great mirror. I mean, full length mirrors are necessary, and they don't come with the dorm rooms for some reason. So yeah, this one's great, but also there is a mirror in the medicine cabinet too, just for like other stuff. So moving on a bit to the left side of the room, I have the left side of the room basically, so this one is my closet. We actually have a lot of closet space in this room, so I'm doing pretty well so far, except I have already purchased a lot of new things since coming here, so I might have to start bringing some stuff home eventually because it's getting a little full. But let me show you guys inside. So basically, our dorm room actually happens to be the only one on the floor that has 2 bars. I have no idea why. I guess maybe someone before us decided they wanted 2 bars. Basically, got all of my clothes here. Like, well, I have all my tops here, and then just a couple of skirts and dresses as well. And then on the bottom of the closet, I just have this shoe rack I got from Target, which isn't holding all of my shoes, but like most of them, and it definitely helps with the space, so that's nice. And then I also have a command hook inside my closet where I hang my laundry bag on. I think this is from Home Goods. And then on the top part of my closet, I just have these 2 bins up here that are from Target. And I basically just have like all my purses in there, my duffel bag is in there. And then I also keep my suitcase up there as well. It's actually surprisingly big space up there, so luckily I can fit my suitcase there, which is great. And then on top of my closet, I thought it was looking a little bit boring, so I printed a bunch of pictures before coming here at CVS. So basically I just like have those hung up there, like a little collage type looking thing. I think it just adds a lot of color to this space of the room because honestly it's a little bit boring. So next to the closet, I have my desk, and my favorite part of the room, this whole little area. I think it turned out so cute. So next to my desk, I have this little white rolling cart from IKEA, and in here I just have my shower caddy, which is from Amazon, and basically just like all my toiletries and stuff. On the second shelf, I keep all of my makeup, and then on the third is just all of my hair stuff. And then as for my actual desk over here, I keep my makeup mirror on my desk, so that's from Amazon. Next to that, I also have my makeup brushes, which I actually have in a pencil holder. That's from Amazon as well. I also keep my Alexa on my desk, which I have not been able to get to connect to the Wi-Fi here, so it's not working yet, but maybe at some point it will work. That'd be great. I also have this little pink desk fan from Amazon, which is amazing because there's some air conditioning in here, so I really need all the fans I can get. On the other side of my desk, I just have this orange lamp, which I got from Urban Outfitters. It also has a little cup at the base where I can keep some like pencils, my sunglasses, scissors, stuff like that, just for easy access. And then next to that is one of my favorite things in this room. It's my plant. It's from Target. I think it just adds a lot of like color and life to this room. It's not even a real plant. It's a fake plant. I can't keep a real plant alive. I also keep my vlog camera on my desk as well. And then this jewelry holder thing I got from Urban Outfitters. It's super cute. I basically just keep all, well, pretty much all of my jewelry there. So inside my desk, there's actually not a lot of storage here, but we have this drawer over here. I just have like a stapler, some bracelets that I couldn't fit on the jewelry holder, and basically just like all of my cords, electronics and stuff, some extra school supplies, things like that. And then of course I also have my backpack over here. I don't really have a place for it, just kind of stays around my desk area. But there's also this little cabinet thing under my desk, so I have all of like my hair tools, like curling iron, flat iron, stuff like that, that's in there. And then I don't know why, but I also have like nail polish remover and cotton balls under there as well. For my chair, I just kind of have it covered with this blanket I got from Target. It's not a cute chair and I can't get rid of it, so we're just gonna cover it up, pretend like it's not there. And then above my desk here is where I have all of this like decorations and stuff like that. I think that's like really what tied my room together. So first of all, we got this Stay Humble neon sign from Target. I also have this love sign from Target as well. Also this pink letterboard, as well as this gold letter grid, and the triangle corkboard things are also all from Target. Target has some great like wall decor stuff for your dorm room if you're interested. For pictures, like I mentioned, I got a lot of stuff printed at CVS, except for this little like rocker sign is from Urban Outfitters, and this little pink, I don't know, like plant poster is also from Urban Outfitters. And over here we have my bed. I spend most of my time here. It's a great place. So the comforter here is from Urban Outfitters. This blanket is from Target, as well as literally all of these pillows I have in my bed here. Target has great throw pillows. They're also much cheaper than like Urban Outfitters and stuff like that, and still super cute, so I'd recommend that. Above my bed I also have this like moon cycle gold garland thing from Urban Outfitters. And then I don't have a headboard for my bed, but I did hang this shower curtain behind my bed. Basically I just have like some command hooks at the top of the wall, and since it is like a curtain, there were holes at the top, so I just kind of like stuck it up there, had it kind of like ruched together a bit, and yeah, there's that. Kind of a random idea, but also buying a curtain like this was so much cheaper than getting like a tapestry or something. Also, along the top part of my room, we have these LED lights strung basically all the way around. I actually also have a remote that changes the colors of the light too, but we've pretty much just been keeping it at like this purple bluish color, and at night it looks super cool. So under my bed here is basically the reason why my room is not super cluttered. I have a ton of stuff over here. So first of all, I have it all covered by this like bed skirt, which I got from, I believe, Dormify, but honestly it's like another thing you can get pretty much anywhere. And because there's actually nowhere to really attach it, I have binder clips holding it up along the edge. Actually it works pretty well. So first of all, I have this 3-tiered drawer set from Bed Bath & Beyond. It literally goes the entire length of under the bed, so it has a ton of space in it. So literally I keep all of my extra towels and sheets in here, and then in the second drawer I have all of my camera equipment and all that kind of stuff. And the top drawer up here I just have all of my extra toiletries, light bulbs, tissue boxes, batteries. There's a lot of stuff here. This is kind of like a miscellaneous drawer, honestly. Oh, and then also next to that, in this little space right here, that's where I keep my tripod, and also this stand where my light is, that all just fits under there. Next to that, I just have this 3-tiered drawer that actually comes with the room. It's not that big because it doesn't go all the way back under the bed. It's about half the size of the drawers I got here. This is where I keep the rest of my clothes. And then next to that, we just got one more little shelving unit that came with the room. This is where I keep all of my sweatshirts, and then just a couple other miscellaneous things in there. And probably one of my other favorite things in this room is this little ottoman here. It's from Target. I love the color, super great. Also helps me get up on the bed because it is a little bit high, and I can just step on this like a stool basically to get up there, which is great. Also inside of here, I keep some of my cleaning supplies. So right now we just have Febreze and some like disinfecting wipes and stuff, but we're working on getting some more cleaning stuff. There's actually a ton of space in here. Like, I can keep so much in here. I just don't have anything that I need to put in there yet, but if I ever need it, I do have the space. Next to my bed, I actually use this 3-tiered shelf from Target as kind of like my nightstand thing. So I have this digital clock here from Amazon, this tissue box from Bed Bath & Beyond. I also have this Himalayan salt lamp from, I believe, Home Goods. And then on the windowsill back here, I also keep a fan that I basically just have like blowing on me when I sleep. Next to that, we have our refrigerator and microwave, which we just rented from the school. And then I have like this little LMU sticker on the freezer part of it, just a little school spirit kind of thing. We don't have a ton of stuff in our fridge, mostly just like drinks and stuff like that. I'll keep fruit or yogurt in there every once in a while, just like for breakfast and snacks and stuff. But a majority of our snacks are actually in this shelf next to the fridge. I don't know where this is from. My roommate actually got it, but we keep all of our snacks in here. Honestly, it's a little dangerous having all these snacks in such close proximity. So convenient, but you know what, college, it's like that sometimes. And finally, the last part, we just have this carpet right here. It's from Target. I think it was like $80, maybe 90 or something like that. Not too bad for like a pretty decent sized carpet. However, it is white, so like it is getting a little bit dirty, but so far so good. We can always get it cleaned if it's really bad, but I think we'll be good because I am vacuuming a lot. But anyway, that's going to conclude my dorm room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I post videos every single Saturday. I also have Instagram and a Twitter, both at Ella_Elbells. So go ahead and follow me both of those, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!